हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चॅनल. मी अज्ञा दयानंद गुरु तुमचं माझ्या अज्ञा ई लर्निंग या चॅनलवर स्वागत करते. मुलांनो, आज आपण जो आपला 10th चॅप्टर आहे सेल अँड सेल ऑर्गॅनिल्स, त्याचे क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण कव्हर करणार आहोत. त्याआधी ज्यांनी चॅनल सबस्क्राईब नसेल केला त्यांनी प्लीज चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करा आणि व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास व्हिडिओला लाईक, कमेंट आणि शेअर नक्की करा. चला तर मग स्टार्ट करूया आपल्या क्वेश्चन अँड आन्सरला. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हू एम आय? So, first one, I am ATP producing factory. So the answer is mitochondria. Then next, I am single layered but maintain cellular osmotic pressure. So the answer is cell wall. Then third one, I support the cell but I am not cell wall. I have a body resembling net. Answer is cell membrane. Then I am chemical factory of the cell. Answer is again mitochondria. Then next one, leaves are green because of me. So the answer is chlorophyll. Move to the next question. Question number 2, what would have happened if? So the first one, RBCs had mitochondria. Answer is RBCs are a type of cells which are found in blood, and their function is to carry oxygen to different cells and tissues of the body. They do not contain mitochondria for two purposes. Firstly, it saves the space in the red blood cells and so more of oxygen can bind it. Secondly, it prevents the use of oxygen which is bounded to RBCs, and if mitochondria would have been present in RBCs, the oxygen which is carried by them will be used up by the RBCs, and thus there will be less or no oxygen left which can be transported to the cell and tissues. Next question. There had been no difference between mitochondria and plastids. So the answer is mitochondria and plastids are two different structures and they have specific functions. Mitochondria are found in both plants and animals, whereas plastids are found in only in plants. The main role of mitochondria is to provide energy to the cells for carrying out their various functions. If there have been no difference between mitochondria and plastids, there would have been no structure which would provide energy, and thus all the processes which take place in the cell would cease. The next one, genes had been absent on the chromosomes. So the answer is genes are hereditary structures which contain the information which is passed on from one generation to another, and they are required for the transmission of information from one generation to another. They are responsible for the characteristics of all the living organisms, and they store the information for the various processes which occur in all the living organisms. The next one, plasma membrane had not been selectively permeable. So the answer is plasma membrane is selectively permeable, which means it allows the entry or exit of selective materials inside and outside the cell. In its absence, the regulated movement of substances in and out of the cell will be affected. Next, plants lacked anthocyanin. Answer is anthocyanin is a pigment which is present in plants and imparts them purplish color. In the absence of this pigment, the structure which usually have purple color due to its presence would appear colorless. Question number 3, who is odd man among us? Give reason. First one, nucleus, then mitochondria, plastids, endoplasmic reticulum. So the answer is plastids. Plastids are the odd one because they are organelles which are found only in plant cells. Rest all the organelles are found in both plant and animals. Next one, DNA. Then ribosome is chlorophyll. So chlorophyll is odd one out because it is a type of pigment which is found in plants only, and DNA and ribosomes are found in both plants and animals also. Then question number 4, give functions. First one, plasma membrane. So the functions of plasma membrane are: it gives shape and support to the cell. It acts as a mechanical barrier to protect the internal content of the cell. It separates the content of the cell from its surrounding medium. It performs physical activities such as diffusion and osmosis. Then next, cytoplasma. Function of cytoplasma: it is the medium for all cellular chemical reactions. It is a medium in which the organelles remain suspended. It helps in the movement of the different cellular elements. Next one, lysosome. Function of lysosomes destroy foreign materials that enter the cell. Then dead and worn out organelles are removed by lysosomes. Then cells are autolysed by lysosomes and their contents are released within the cell. Next, vacuole. Functions of vacuoles are: the main function of vacuoles is to store food in a cell. Then they also help in storing and expelling waste and toxic byproducts of metabolic reactions. They help in maintaining the turgidity and rigidity of a cell. Then nucleus. Function of nucleus: it is the control center of a cell as it controls all the activities of the cell. Then it also contains gene containing chromosomes, which are the unit of inheritance in an organism. Fifth one, who gives me the color? Select the correct option. So here we write the answers only. Red tomato, lycopene; green leaf, chlorophyll; carrot, carotene; violet, anthocyanin. ओके. सो आपले क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स जे आहेत ते इथेच कंप्लीट झालेले आहेत. होप तुम्हाला आजचा व्हिडिओ जो आहे तो नक्कीच आवडला असेल. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर चॅनलला नक्की सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करा. ऑफकोर्स व्हिडिओला लाईक, कमेंट आणि शेअर नक्की करा. याचे नोट्स जे आहेत ते तुम्हाला डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये दिलेले आहेत, तिथे जाऊन तुम्ही हे पाहू शकता. चला तर भेटूया आपण आपल्या नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये. तोपर्यंत टेक केअर अँड हॅव अ गुड डे.